Hello friends, welcome to Tech Saurav. My name is Saurav Singh and today we will learn how to create a flying birds in the sky. Let's see the demo of this. Here I have created some birds which are flying into a mountains using simple HTML5 and few line of CSS3 code. Let's see how to create it. First we have created a folder and give the name flying birds, and I have a pic of a mountain in a PNG format. Now I copy here and paste into a folder. Now open this folder and create a one file. We rename it and give the name index.html. Extension must be .html. Now come into a Google and here I am writing sprite sheet of bird and click on images. Here you can see that the number of sprite sheets are present. You can choose any one of them. I am choosing this and view image. Right click on image, save image and come into a folder, desktop, flying birds, and save. Now open Adobe Photoshop, click on a file, open and choose a folder flying birds and choose a image of a birds. Open. Now you choose a magical tool. Here you can see that magic wand tool and click on a white portion. Now press the delete button of a keyboard. You can see that the background is transparent. Click on a file, save. Now open this folder and click over image. You can see that the white background has been removed. Now here you can use any kind of editor, either Notepad++, Sublime or brackets. I am using here brackets. Now click on the index.html file. In between a title tag we write flying birds in a mountain. Now beneath the title we write style, and now come into a body section. In between a body we write a section. This is a HTML5 tag. Now in between a section we created a div and give a class name bird div1. Now copy this div and paste 4 times. Rename the class bird div2, bird div3, bird div4. Now come into a style and we give the styling to this section tag. Section, write width 100%, height 500 pixel, and background image you are linear gradient sky blue and blue. Now save it and come into a folder, click over a index.html. Now you can see that it look like this. Okay, now come into a coding part. Now beneath the section we write dot refer to this class and give the name of a class. So I am right here dot bird div1. The properties are apply only on the first div, which class is bird div1. Now right here position absolute, and from a top we give 0 pixel and from a left we give 0 pixel. When we are using position absolute, the parent div, here is a section is a parent of this div, so we give a position relative to a parent. It is must to give a position relative to every parent of a child which have a position absolute. Now we give the name of an image, background, URL. The name of an image is, or you can write here the path of an image. Now what is the width? How to give a width here? Come into a Adobe Photoshop, click on an image size. Now the width of a total frame is 918 pixel. So here you can see that the 5 birds in a first row. So we divided it by 5. Press window and R together. Now right here calc and press OK. The calculator will be appear. Now right here 918 divided by 5, because 5 birds are present in the first row. So the each bird width is 183.6 pixel. So right here 183.6 pixel. And height, how to measure a height? Come into Adobe Photoshop, and here you see that there is a 3 birds in a row. So the height is, total height is 506. Now divide by 3. Cancel. 506 divided by 3. The each bird height is 168.6 pixel. 168.6 pixel. Okay. Now save and come into a browser, refresh here. The bird will be appear like this. Now we give the animation so that it will be fly. Now right here animation flying bird. The animation is 1 second duration, and how many steps involved in this? There will be a 5 steps. Why? Because in the first row there is a 5 birds, so we give a 5 steps. Okay, and it should be run continually, so we give infinite. Now beneath a bird div 1 we write keyframes @keyframes and give the name of animation. Animation name is flying bird. Now right here flying bird, and when it at a 0%, the position, background position is 0 pixel, or you can give 10 pixel from right and 0 pixel from a top. And when it reached to 100%, the background position minus 918 pixel from right and 0 pixel from a top. Why we give a 918 pixel? Because the total width of a frame is 918 pixel, so we give 918 pixel. Okay, now save and come into a browser and refresh it. Now you can see that the bird is flying. So next we will copy this div, copy and paste 1, 2, 3 times. Now here I write bird div 2, bird div 3, bird div 4 and save, and give a position top from a top 200 pixel on a bird div 2 and from a left 200 pixel. and in a bird div 3 we give from a top it should be 100 and from a left 550, and on a fourth div it should be 10 pixel from a top and from a left 900 pixel, and save, refresh. Now it's look like this. Awesome. Now we will give a beautiful background scenery so that it look be a very beautiful. Okay, now come into a section tag. Beneath all the bird div we write here image and give the path of an image, that will be a mountain png.png, and save, and come on a style tag. So beneath a section I write a image tag and apply the properties, the width of an image 100% and the height of an image 500 pixel. Now save and come into a browser and refresh the page. You can see that it's look like this, very beautiful. So here is some problem. You can see that there is a boundaries which have a default margin and padding of a body. So how to remove it? We write here into a style tag body margin 0 pixel, padding 0 pixel. Save and refresh. Now it looks awesome. So friends, go to a description. Here I have put a link from where you can download the source file of this project. So friends, if you like my video or learn anything from this video, please subscribe my channel and share to your friends. Thank you so much.